Have you ever wondered how many types of volcanoes exist and what makes each one unique? If so, you're in for a treat. Volcanoes are not just mountainous piles of molten rock and ash. They are complex geological structures that form when molten rock or magma finds a path to the Earth's surface. This magma is often forced upward through cracks in the Earth's crust by the immense pressure of the molten rock below. Once it reaches the surface, it can erupt as lava, ash, and gases, creating a volcano. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all volcanoes are created equal. In fact, geologists have classified volcanoes into four main types: shield volcanoes, lava domes, cinder cones, and composite volcanoes. Each one unique, each one a testament to the powerful forces at work beneath our very feet. Intrigued yet? Let's delve into the fascinating world of volcanoes. First on the list are shield volcanoes, known for their distinct shape. Named for their resemblance to a warrior's shield lying on the ground, these volcanoes are set apart by their broad, wide base and gently sloping sides. Unlike their more dramatic counterparts, shield volcanoes are generally not the towering, cone-shaped mountains you might be picturing right now. Instead, they sprawl outwards, covering vast areas with their expansive reach. What gives shield volcanoes their unique shape? It's all down to the lava. These volcanoes are primarily composed of fluid lava flows. This type of lava is less viscous, meaning it flows more easily, spreading out far and wide rather than piling up into a steep conical mound. Over time, successive lava flows layer upon layer, creating the distinctive shield-like shape. So there you have it. Shield volcanoes are the sprawling giants of the volcanic world, their wide, shallow slopes testament to the fluid lava that created them. Next time you see a wide, gently sloping volcano, you'll know it's a shield volcano. Now let's move on to the majestic composite volcanoes. These are also known as stratovolcanoes and are typically tall, cone-shaped mountains. Their impressive stature is built from many layers or strata of hardened lava and tephra. It's a bit like a geological lasagna, with each eruption adding a new layer to the mix. Take Mount Fuji in Japan or Stromboli in Italy, for instance. These are classic examples of composite volcanoes, with Mount Fuji standing proud as the highest mountain in Japan at over 12,000 feet. The formation of these volcanoes is quite a spectacle. The lava, which is viscous and sticky, doesn't flow easily. Instead, it builds up around the vent, forming steep sides that give these volcanoes their signature shape. So, when you're looking at those tall, cone-shaped mountains in photographs or on your travels, remember this: those are composite volcanoes. Their layered structure and commanding presence make them a fascinating study in the powerful forces of our planet. Last but not least, let's talk about the simplest and most common type of volcano, the cinder cone. These geological wonders are born from the explosive eruptions of scoria and pyroclastics, which are essentially tiny pieces of highly vesicular, dark-colored volcanic rock. Volcanic clinkers, volcanic ash, and clastic rocks made of rock fragments. This material rains down around the vent, piling up into the distinctive cone shape that gives these volcanoes their name. Some of the most famous examples of cinder cones can be found in Arizona and Mexico. Arizona's Sunset Crater, with its reddish-brown cinders, is a sight to behold, especially at sunset when the light hits it just right. Mexico's Paricutin, on the other hand, is known for its sudden birth in a cornfield and rapid growth to a height of over 1,000 feet in just a year. And there you have it, the fascinating world of volcanoes in a nutshell. Remember, no matter the type, each volcano adds its unique touch to our planet's diverse landscape.